Hey sir, how are you?
Alright. Alright. Yeah, this is it.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Man, this dude snatched the key out and ran off, man, last night. Oh, man, this dude was a fucking night.
Okay. Yeah, let me a couple minutes, so I'm gonna start working, okay? To
Alright.
make a key.
Hey, you said that you ain't got the flip or the...
Yeah,
you
I
just
can.
got a regular key?
Yes, sir.
It's gonna be able to work.
Yes, yeah, sure.
Okay, so how much is that now?
250. I told you over the phone.
No, you said with the up and down, with the switch on it, you went from 270.
Yeah, it was 275, but I said called you and I said, like it's a regular
But
key.
you said that it had I'll be able to have the automatic thing, the valve that makes it go up, lock and unlock.
Yeah.
That's what you said.
Yes, I checked, but and I called you back. I said I couldn't find, and it's gonna be regular key.
225, man. God damn.
Let's do 230. Okay.
225, man.
Okay. Yeah, no problem.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
I will let you know when I'm done.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. HU101. Good day. HU101. Aynen. Kстати, короче, куда не греем. Дорогой мекнем, доим, ана солша чи мекнем? Конфу мекнем я наниq мекнем, значит 05-20, сол 2020. Не автопропед мерем, короче, Ford мезанем. Ана Ford Transit Connect. Джошиди Ford Transit Connect. Инастай. Короче, да, инастай. Я просто врача ничон мета. Короче, HU101. Okay. Let's see. So. Bismillah. Ne kalita programmirat kadem, ozi چی میکنی؟ یه بار دیگه نزادید میکنی اینا بسم الله اینا الحمدلله kalite programmirat kadem. Чёткий заводит. Tamam.